Hello, and welcome to our video on how to make money now with ChatGPT. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or just want to achieve financial freedom, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how ChatGPT can help you make money quickly and easily. First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It's been trained on a massive amount of text data, and can generate human-like text on a wide range of topics. In other words, it can help you write anything from blog posts to product descriptions to scripts. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but how can ChatGPT help me make money? The answer is simple. By using ChatGPT to create content, you can save time and increase your productivity. And when you're able to produce more content in less time, you can make more money. For example, let's say you're a freelance writer. You can use ChatGPT to generate article ideas, outlines, and even entire articles. This will allow you to take on more clients and earn more money. Or, let's say you're an e-commerce business owner. You can use ChatGPT to write product descriptions, add copy, and even entire blog posts. This will help you increase your sales and grow your business. The possibilities are endless with ChatGPT. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to use. All you have to do is give it some text to prompt it, and it will generate text for you. But it's not just about making more money. ChatGPT can also help you achieve financial freedom. By using ChatGPT to automate some of your tasks, you can free up more of your time to focus on other things. This can include starting a side hustle, investing, or even just enjoying your free time. One strategy for making money quickly with ChatGPT is to utilize its ability to generate high-quality content. You can use the tool to write articles, blog posts, or product descriptions for websites or businesses that pay for freelance writing services. Another way to make money quickly with ChatGPT is to use it to create and sell digital products. For example, you could use the tool to write an ebook on a popular topic, or to create a course on a skill that is in demand. Another strategy is to use ChatGPT to help you with affiliate marketing. By analyzing large amounts of data, ChatGPT can help you identify profitable affiliate opportunities and generate content that promotes those products or services. Another way to make money quickly with ChatGPT is to use it to help you with online advertising. For example, you could use the tool to generate high-performing ad copy for Google AdWords or Facebook ads. Another strategy for making money quickly with ChatGPT is to use it to generate leads for your business. By analyzing large amounts of data, ChatGPT can help you identify potential customers and generate content that targets them. Another way to make money quickly with ChatGPT is to use it to help you with email marketing. For example, you could use the tool to generate high-performing subject lines or email body copy. Another strategy for making money quickly with ChatGPT is to use it to help you with SEO. By analyzing large amounts of data, ChatGPT can help you identify the keywords and phrases that are most likely to drive traffic to your website. Finally, another way to make money quickly with ChatGPT is to use it to generate content for social media. By analyzing large amounts of data, ChatGPT can help you identify the topics and hashtags that are most likely to generate engagement on platforms like Twitter and Instagram. Now, we know that the idea of using a language model to make money might seem a bit daunting. But we assure you, it's not as complicated as you think. And we're here to help. We've created a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT to make money, which we'll be sharing with you shortly. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start making money now, then keep watching. We'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT to achieve financial freedom, and how it can change your life for the better. Thanks for watching. Please, like, share, comment and subscribe.